Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get a free 50 hours RDP. Yes, it's completely free and interesting speed. You can use this RDP for any type of work. So without wasting time, I will go to Google and search for Google Shell. You just have to skip the first sponsored link and go to this one. After opening this site, you must have a Gmail. From here you will see at the top of you first have to activate the window. After activating, you will see a pop-up like this, and first time it will show you authorized Google Shell in this site. Guys, this is a completely free method, so watch this video till end so you will not get any type of error. We just wait for a while and it will say launch it. So after launching it, it will show you a complete new interface terminal. This will just installing a new cloud-based shell server for us. So like this, I am just expanding it. Now here you have to type a new command, and this is the command which I will give you in the description so you can use it in your cloud shell. This is now installing a new. I will just have to tell you that this is a completely free RDP. From here I will show you the usage quota which I am. You can see this here guys. You can use this RDP for 50 hours, which I have mentioned in my thumbnail also that this is for 50 hours, almost 3 days you can use this, and this limit is for a weekly. You can use other Gmail account to get 50 hours more. For that I will make a completely new video in which I explain you how to use another Gmail account to get these type of RDPs, and how to get these type of RDPs. You must subscribe to my channel, so I will upload new and latest methods for you. Now here we have to change our port, and port number must be 6070, and after that change and preview, and tomorrow I will upload a new and interesting method, but it's that RDP is for a short time, but it's a more interesting way to get free RDP. You know, RDPs are very costly, but you can use them by some tricks and methods, and that method and trick I will explain in my videos. From here, startup menu, internet, and you will see there are three type of browser. But in this case I will use Firefox web browser, and from here I will show you the speed of the internet. Hope you like this video. You see guys, the speed is very interesting. It's increasing and more increasing. This is amazing speed. You can use this RDP for 50 hours, which I have shown you here. I again show you, you can use this RDP for 50 hours for a week. Guys, it is interesting. You can use this RDP for any type of work. It's safe, it's secure, and one thing which I must share with you is that you keep this window on until you use this RDP. If there is an error or anything else, just close this and rerun these commands which I have given you in the description. Hope you like this video, and you see the speed of internet is blazing fast. So in the next video I will show you how to get more and more these type of tips and tricks. So keep joining my channel, and I will sharing the most latest method of RDP in my next video. So now bye bye, take care.